This is Disney Sorcerer's Arena, Epic Alliances, a strategic battle royale game featuring some of Disney and Pixar's most iconic characters. You choose from 8 characters: Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey, Gaston, Aladdin, Demona, Sulley, Dr. Facilier, Maleficent and Ariel, each with their own unique abilities, decks, and playstyle. No two characters feel the same. Play head-to-head in a 2-player game, or team up in a 4-player alliance mode where you strategize together to earn victory points and win. The rulebook is split across 4 chapters that gradually introduce new skills and abilities, so it's easy to learn but gets deeper the more you play. It includes 8 acrylic standee figures, 8 character decks, ability cards, status tokens, and everything you need to play right out of the box. Expansions are available to add even more characters, 2 to 4 players, ages 13 and up, about 35 minutes, a brilliant gift for Disney fans who want something more strategic than a standard board game.